What's up? What's up? It's your boy Rebel again. You know, you know. Right now, what I'm basically doing is I'm just listening to the track, and smoking that loud, and just basically going over in my head what I'm gonna do, what I'm gonna put on the track, how I'm gonna come across. Just building up a formula so it's gonna be a hit. Actually, this is the actual track I'm gonna do. It's called Animal, and I'm gonna be basically explaining how I'm still an animal no matter what, trials, tribulations. I feel like I'm supposed to bring out a deal. I ain't got one, due to incarceration. So, but I still feel like I'm an animal. I'm still the hottest in Richmond and one of the hottest in the game if you ask me. But, that's for you to determine. So this 3 right here. And I promise you, I'm not writing nothing down. You don't see a piece of nothing around. Piece of paper, ink pad. I ain't got nothing around, So this part 3, still sitting here coming up with it. Take you to part 4, you can see what I got, alright? Holla at your boy.